Hi, in this question, I'm going to solve practice question for understanding the tangent, cosine, and sine ratio. So let us take a look. For each triangle, we need to find the length and connect to two decimal places. Okay, we got this angle, opposite of the angle is x, and then the hypotenuse. So opposite and hypotenuse we got. So we can use sine 46 degree. Opposite is x, and the hypotenuse equal to 8. Okay, and then we can rearrange. So x equal to 8 multiplied by sine 46 degree. Please use a calculator, so you will get the answer of 5.75 centimeter. Okay, next. Okay, we got the opposite. And here next to the angle we got as adjacent. So we can use tan 22 degree equal to opposite x equal to 65. So x equal to 65 multiplied by tan 22 degree. Let's use a calculator. So you will get the answer of 26.26 millimeter. Okay, what information we got? Opposite of the angle and the hypotenuse, the longest line. So we can use as sine 29 degree equal to opposite x divided by hypotenuse. So x, we can rearrange it, multiply by 15 both of sides, gonna be 15. We multiply it by sine 29 degree. You can use a calculator and you will get the answer of 7.27 meter. Next, what information we got? We got as adjacent A, and the longest line or opposite of the right angle we call as hypotenuse. So this is cha cosine equal to adjacent x divided by hypotenuse 9.6. Okay, to make it only x, we multiply by 9.6 both of sides. So we got x equal to 9.6 multiplied by cos 38 degree. We have to use a calculator. Then we got x equal to 7.56 centimeter. Okay, next question. This is adjacent A, and in front of the right angle opposite of it is hypotenuse, the longest line. So we can use cosine 35 degree x divided by 75. Okay, we multiply by 75 both of sides, so get rid. So x equal to 75 multiplied by cos 35 degree. So we got x, you can use a calculator, so you will get 61.44 centimeter. Okay, next F. Okay, this is hypotenuse, the longest line, and adjacent x. So we got cos 21 degree equal to x divided by a. So here we multiply 8 both of sides. So x equal to 8 multiplied by cos 21 degree. Use a calculator, then you will get the answer of 7.47 meter. Okay, given that theta is acute, find the size of nearest degree. You can use in a calculator, make it like this, tan -1 or inverse of 0.635. Here also in your calculator, let me write it here. You can write like tan inverse and then write the value 0.635. Then you will get the answer of 32 degree. In your calculator, you can find its sine inverse. then write the value 0.2135. So the nearest degree is gonna be 12 degree. Also cos inverse, write the value 0.7231. So the angle of it is 44 degree. Next, you can use also the same thing in your calculator, sin -1, then write the value 0.632. So the answer gonna be to the nearest degree is 39 degree. Next, also the same thing, cos inverse and 0.2954. So you will get the nearest degree is 73. Sorry, 73 degree. Here tan. So to find the degree, you will require to make it tan inverse. Write the value 1.2. So the degree is gonna be 9.6 degree. Guys, the last question. So find the size of the marked angle. Okay, opposite, and this is hypotenuse. So sin A equal to 3/5. So you can write on your calculator as sin inverse 1, 3/5. It's gonna be A. So A equal to, the degree is 36.9 degree. Because the question is 1 to 1 decimal place. Okay, we got opposite and adjacent is tan. Adjacent, sorry, not hypotenuse. So you got tan B equal to 3/7. To find the degree, make it inverse. Tan -1, 3/7 equal to B. In your calculator, you can write like this. So B, you will get the degree of 23.2 degree. Okay, C, this is adjacent. And it's S. No, this is the hypotenuse. Sorry. Yeah, opposite of the right angle. Hypotenuse next to the angle is adjacent. So we got cos C equal to 7/10. So to make it the angle of C, so cos inverse, write the value 7/9. So gonna be C. So C is gonna be 45.6 degree. Okay, here is opposite and we got adjacent. So it's gonna be tan D equal to 9/4. So to find the angle of D, we can tan inverse, write the value 9/4 equal to D. So D equal to 66.0 degree. Okay, E, we got adjacent here and the hypotenuse. So it's gonna be cos E equal to 3/8. To find the angle, so make it inverse in your calculator, cos -1, write the value 3/8 equal to E. So the degree of E in your calculator, you will get 68.0 degree. Here last, we got opposite and the hypotenuse. So it's gonna be sin F equal to 3/18. So to get the angle, make it inverse 3/18 to F. So the angle of F is gonna be 9.6 degree. Yeah, I think that it is. Here, sorry, I just found it. This not 9.6. It's gonna be 50 degree. Okay, there it is. Thank you.